Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. This is the Mercedes ML 2009. The customers who want to add wheel arches, body kit, and color code the side skirts, color code the bumper, this side exactly the same. So that's the state of it now, and then we're gonna show you every single moment what we're doing on the car, and then how it's gonna look like when that car is gonna finish. Here you go, the job has been completed on the ML. As you can see, the bumper being color coded, spoiler from the bottom is being color coded. Of course, we changed the grill as well for the guy, and then we add the wheel arches, we paint them, we put them on from the beginning of the bumper to the end of the wing. And the side steps, that was black texture, we stripped it completely and we color coded it, we put it back on the car. Rear wheel arches as well. You can see the back bumper as well, the bottom has been painted. This side as well, side step, it looks completely different. Got the top spoiler, looks absolutely different. Very good result. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.